Hi all, good morning, good evening. So welcome back to a new lecture, and this will be not a type of lecture like a study. In this, I will tell you how to use Anaconda. As you knew that we are using PyCharm as our coding, but in this view, I will tell you how to use an Anaconda. So first, this is an Anaconda Navigator. You can download this Anaconda Navigator from in your in your Windows or any OS you are using, any operating system. Conda Navigator. You need to sign up here, and you can download it. I think so. It is not free right now, the Anaconda, but it should be free, so you can download it. Okay. It is for Python, and in this Anaconda, we have a notebook which is known as Jupyter Notebook. So to launch this Jupyter Notebook safely, we will learn first. We will use a command which is known as mkdir, make a directory which is known as demos. Okay, so I have made a directory which is known as demos, so I will not make again. So now after mkdir demos, we will do cd demos. Okay, it will place it will put us in the demos directory. Now as you can see, demos directory is here. Now we will put python to, as you can see, this is package June this year we have downloaded it. Okay, now we will exit it. Exit done. Okay, please note the code you need to download, how to use it and how to download. This is very important. Now we will activate the base first. Activate base. My base is activated earlier too, so this thing will come if the base is activated. Okay, base is now activated. Now Jupyter Notebook. Enter. It will take few seconds. Okay, so permission has denied because we have not opened it from administrator. So firstly, let's open it from administrator. Anaconda run as administrator. It will take few minutes. Now it is running from administrator. Okay. Now I will launch the CMD again and see if it is runs. Demos, CD demos, Python, exit, activate base, Jupyter Notebook. You need to copy this first one or the second one code URL and paste it in your browser. Okay, here. Now, as you can see, it is localhost and our directory has been opened. So now we will first delete all this untitled one. Okay, we'll delete this and open a new notebook. Okay, we will select Python 3 kernel. Now we will rename this. Untitled will be arbp underscore python. Okay, so now it has been renamed. In this, so this is a Jupyter notebook which is powered by Jupyter Labs. Okay, Jupyter Labs, and in the Anaconda. You can also run Jupyter Notebook in the PyCharm. Also, there is an option to run the Jupyter Notebook, which I will show you in the next session. In this session, we will learn how to use Jupyter Notebook. So, firstly, we will add some lines here. So this is a plus one which will add a line. Now to write any code, let's write like a is equals to 3, and no, not like this. Name is equals to 3. No, arbp, and now print name, or you will press control plus enter. The arbp has been printed. Okay, like this you will run the code. This is the way how to run a code. We will make a list of fruits: orange, apple, banana. Print control plus enter. So the list has been printed. In the PyCharm, we had a console here where we used to write, and here was a terminal. Okay, but it is a lot different from PyCharm. It is simple also, but different too. This is a step by step. You if you will write so many codes, it can also run. This is very easy to download. You can download it, but now I think it is a paid version of Anaconda. Now you can download the Jupyter notebooks uh, to use it. In Anaconda, the plus point it is here, like we have spider also, qt console. Okay, we have PyScript, Python Anywhere. These are some tools which can also help you in the codes. You can also install PyCharm from this. Okay, this is also a plus point for installing Anaconda Navigator. This is for those who are interested in Anaconda and who cannot use or cannot understand PyCharm. So this is for those who want to install Jupyter notebooks, Anaconda Navigator. Okay, so this is all what we had today.